Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing dirt and oil so tools work. Wash your hands 20 to 30 seconds with warm water and gentle soap, then dry lightly. Trim nails straight across, keeping about 1 to 2 mm of white edge to prevent ingrown nails. Once trimmed, soak fingers for 5 to 10 minutes in lukewarm water to soften cuticles. This makes pushing them back safer and reduces tearing. Make sure to use clean clippers and a soft towel to pat dry when finished. You next focus on shaping and safe cuticle care. After soaking, gently push back cuticles with a rubber or wooden pusher. Avoid cutting live tissue because that raises infection risk. Once cuticles are tidy, file the nail edges in one direction using a fine grit file to prevent splitting. Do short strokes rather than sawing. Buff lightly with 1 to 2 passes to smooth ridges. Overbuffing thins the nail. Make sure to clean under the nail with a soft brush and rinse. Before applying, you finish by locking in moisture and protecting nails. Massage a cuticle oil or cream into the nail bed and surrounding skin twice daily to restore lipids and prevent peeling. If applying polish, use a base coat to protect the nail plate, then color or a clear strengthener. Once done, reapply oil nightly. If you see white spots or peeling, they often mean minor trauma. Reduce aggressive filing or trimming, and give nails a break for several weeks. Make sure to replace dull tools regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.